Hello and welcome. I'm James. I work for Harvey Nichols in Stylist Club, and this is Lulu's story. Lulu's going to take me through. So tell me, Lulu, what have we got here?
The brief for this rail
Yeah.
was if we were to start from scratch again,
Okay.
what 10 items would I recommend?
Right.
I mean, it feels like a tall order, I'm not going to lie. 10 items.
10 items, that's not a lot. But
It is. So I think the first thing you notice is that it's quite a tight colour palette.
okay.
You know, you don't want to have too many colours
Yeah.
if you are starting again. And actually, for people who maybe have a big wardrobe and don't know where to go, they can use the same principle. Get a small rail,
Right.
and you can then pull out your mini edit from all your
Okay.
others. Yeah. Well, this kind of is interesting. This kind of underpins. You can see that the print really pulls in all the colours of the rail. And I think a little printed jacket is one of the overlooked pieces. Of course, Isabel Marant. And she teaches us so much about the mixing of prints. We can see how great the pink, the colours are and how they pop.
Yeah.
And really, when we look at the bottoms and what I've chosen, I think when you start realising that you can put a really powerful colour
Right.
with a printed jacket, it's
Okay.
about the
And
white jean.
The white jean, tell me.
Then also does that same job, but it tones down the jacket.
Again,
for the
Isabel
weekends.
Marant.
Yeah.
We could do that with the jacket.
Yeah, really. It's about thinking about one print that you can build around.
Right.
So everything on this rail sits with it.
Yeah.
So a pink suit might feel a little bit full on.
Bit full on for some people who think, oh no, I can't wear that. But
it's about breaking it up and then adding in cooler items, things that dress it down.
Yeah.
This could be great with a little trainer, and obviously.
so where would you wear this, for example? Would it be a work suit or?
Yeah, I mean, I think for me, you could do this with work and then just
Yeah.
keep it really chic and simple because you've already got the punch. You know,
Yeah.
nothing is going to steal the show. Behind you are the gorgeous high tops,
Oh,
the
yes.
trees.
Yes, the odd trees.
And
Yeah.
I think I love the high top for a slightly more modern feel than just the
Yeah.
regular. And that will just dress it down. But I think if you were going out for like a birthday lunch,
Yes,
you know,
exactly.
out
Yeah.
with your girlfriends, you
Say
could
it
do
was
something
like a fun
that.
lunch.
Yeah.
Maybe you went to a hotel with your girlfriends
Yeah.
for a nice lunch. You could pop that on.
Exactly.
Yeah.
I think the other way to tone down something like a hot pink
Right.
is go kind of quite classic.
Yeah.
You know, whenever you've got something in your wardrobe that feels wild,
Uh-huh.
you just pair the opposite.
Yes.
It's about pairing,
Yeah.
calming it down.
You've got to calm it down. You can't.
And that just shows the versatility of a pink trouser.
Yeah.
And I mean, you have to have a little cashmere jumper.
Always.
in
You
your
need one in your
edit,
wardrobe.
don't you?
Yeah, you do. That's a great one from Totem.
Yeah, beautiful.
Tell me about the dress.
So I think when you're thinking about what's a versatile dress,
Yeah.
it's going to be in your capsule. It's a mid-weight fabric.
Okay.
So anything like a linen wouldn't take you into winter,
No.
and anything like wool wouldn't take you into spring, summer.
No.
So a cotton
Nice
fabric
cotton. Yeah.
mix in the middle.
Okay.
And then I love this because you've got this touch of almost like a bit of jewellery.
Yes.
I think a knee-high boot
Yeah.
for the autumn.
Okay.
And you were saying earlier actually that there's something about this green that means you can take it into all seasons.
Yeah, I think this is a good colour for all seasons.
Beard.
Right.
I think a printed shirt.
Yeah.
I think if a cashmere is feeling a bit boring, we need something that
Yeah.
can just peek
That's cute, isn't
outside.
it?
It's really sweet. Really
Peeking
sweet.
through the collar.
And then again, we could do the little jacket
Yeah,
over,
over the-
really sweet.
Yeah.
And then you've got your white jean, which I love, or special. I mean, that's
Wow. Yeah.
if you had a presentation
Yeah.
or something you needed to really feel comfortable but
Yeah.
impactful.
Yeah.
That to me feels interesting but put together,
Yeah.
timeless.
What about this one?
Well, I love
Tell
a
me.
Shaket, and the Zadig Walter one never goes out of date.
No.
This little waist detail for me also feminizes it.
Yeah.
And I think you could earth the pink here, definitely, with them. And also, by the way, I love these because of the side stripe. That makes the sporty
It's almost
touch.
a bit sporty, but it's a
Yeah,
subtle.
really subtle.
Yeah.
And then
The white
think
jean.
the white jean here would be just
Yeah.
such a great weekend. And then the navy cashmere again.
Yeah.
Just
Underneath.
showing you how useful a little cashmere jumper is.
See?
I also love cashmere as like a little scarf. I do jumpers
Take
that
that.
have got moth holes in them. They're quite good for just doing a
Yeah.
little. Thank
And then
you,
you
my
just
darling.
tuck it in.
Yeah, tuck it in.
Look at that.
So again, I just
Make it a nice little cashmere scarf.
showing the kind of versatility of
Yeah.
having a little something like this because they're so lightweight and
Yeah.
they regulate your body temperature better than anything. But what else? I think we've been through everything.
That's it, isn't it?
Yeah. So look, if you're in capsules, things that really get you excited.
And they get you excited. You think, oh yes, I can't wait to wear that
Yeah.
today. That kind of thing. Yeah.
Amazing. Well, thanks for having me, Jane.
Nice to see you.